My workers say there's a frog in the toilet.
Is it? Have you seen it?
Oh, it's a frog in my toilet, you guys. Tell somebody to come and get it. Close the thing. Close the lid. Close the lid. Hey, he came up through the drainage. Let's tell somebody to come and get this frog out my toilet. Hey! Woo! Uh-huh. Help! Somebody help! It's a frog in my toilet! It's a frog in my toilet! Somebody call 911. It's a joke in your tail. Oh my God. That's why I always check before I sit down on the toilet. I always check before I put on my closed-toe shoes, because my mama taught me that spiders gets in your shoes. So before you put your feet in your shoes, check your shoes to make sure there's no spider in there and get bit on the toe. She also said, also check before you sit on the toilet, because snakes, frogs, and things like that come up through your toilet, especially when you're living in areas like the country, the rural area, and so forth and so on. And also I read like documented papers. I watch documented movies where people, where they had to call the animal rescue people or animal, to go to the animal people. Okay, I just say animal people. To go to the people houses and get the snakes out of the toilets. You know, to get the rats out. Things like that there. So she went to go get Kofi, the gardener who lives on ground here, to come. Oh, let me look behind me. Shoot. And check my toilet. Anyway, this is my kitchen area, living room area. I got my stuff sitting out on the table. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, she was mopping. I'm sorry, guys. Like, oh my God. Let me open this door here. Frog in my toilet. This is my storage area. This bathroom right here. And she was in here cleaning up. Oh my goodness, a frog in my toilet. My water supply over there. I use that bottle to set the mosquito repellent coil on top. But anyway, this is my water supply here that I have in my house. You know? Those two things down there in the bottom is to keep bugs from formulating into my water supply. And I have some more water over here in this garbage can. I never used it for garbage. I bought it brand new and put water in, washed it out and put water in there. So I use this over here for my kitchen area. Like when the water stopped flowing through the pipes. Oh yeah, and I have water supply in this too. This is called a, what do you call this? This is the Veronica thing. Yeah, so I have water supply in that too. So when this here stops working, when the pipes, when the water stops flowing through the pipes, I have water reserved. And then that big old poly tank out there is full of water as well.
Okay.
Come in. Come in. There's a frog in my toilet.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, you gonna kill him or you gonna pick him out?
I'll pick him up.
Okay, cool, right on. Now you watch out the way, sister, because I don't want you to get bumped into. Open the door.
Hey.
Why you close the door? I want to see what you're doing. Don't kill him. Take him and put him back in the yard. Hold on, I'm gonna close this door. Listen, I'm gonna close this door.
Oh no.
You know, I don't know why I'm scared. I used to catch those things when I was a little girl. Okay, you can go ahead. Keep moving. Keep moving. Let me put my shoes on. Where you gonna put them at? Oh, I just slapped myself on the neck. Grody to the max. Gross! I don't catch frogs no more because they give you, they're poisonous. And they give you, they give you warts. Yeah, throw them over the fence. Don't put them in this yard, put them on the other side. Yeah. Woo, there you go. All right. Thank you so much. Hey. Woo. My goodness. A frog was in my toilet. Okay, you can put some bleach in there.
Let me check you guys another.
For real? It's another one?
No.
Oh. Woo. My goodness. Hey. Well, this is Africa. This is Africa, you guys. Now, this is my other toilet in here. I had to check in here to make sure ain't no frog coming up in this toilet. Nope, no frog in this toilet. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put some disinfect up in here to make sure no frog come up in my toilet. Put this up in there. Yep. It's a manhole behind my house. That's the reason why they come up in the thing. Yeah, so I just poured this up in there. Keep those frogs out. I hope it keep it out of my toilet. Maybe I should put some salt up in there. What you think? Should I put some salt in my water?
No.
In my toilet water to keep the frogs out?
You can't put salt in because it's because of the mango. Maybe there is some small way there.
Say hi, everybody. This is Naki. And she come to help me on the daily. Yep, she's helping me with my healing process. So she's minding the things that I normally would do on a daily basis, like cleaning and sterilizing the house, so forth and so on. She's doing that for me so I won't have to do it. I just focus on my healing. Yeah, like taking care of my personal self, my body, and so forth and so on. Yep. So, yeah, and I'm gonna save that bottle for set the mosquito coil back on it. Yeah. Okay, you guys, that's it. Just wanted to show you guys the frog in my toilet. Hey. Yeah. But anyway, that's life here in Ghana. A frog I ain't gonna let a frog run me away. I'm staying right here. All right, peace and blessings, everyone. Assalamu alaikum, straight up. Oh, wait, before I hang up, before I cut this video, my water supply down here, that you could drink this water and you cook with this water. So I do both with it. I drink and cook with it. This water company, let me get closer. So this water company right here is, of course, all the water companies, not all of them, but some of them are black-owned business owners. But this one here happens to be from the United States of America. This is a brother from the U.S. who came here to Ghana and started his own business called Ice Cool. Ice Cool, yes. And the water is spectacularly good. Yeah, absolutely. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna talk to you later. Thank you for tuning in. This is your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your auntie, your sister, your cousin, your friend. All right. Tuning in with the frog in the toilet. The frog in the toilet, the frog in the toilet. All right, talk to you guys later. Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. Abaragani Hotep, shalom, shalom. Y'all take care. Love you all. Straight up. Africa to the world. Africa, Africa, Africa to the world. All right.